What makes the windows you get from WinChoice USA different from the rest? For starters, they're backed by a limited lifetime warranty for maximum peace of mind. In this day and age, nothing's made to last except for our windows. That's why we back them with our unbeatable, industry-leading limited lifetime warranty. No matter the style of window you need for your home, rest assured that we make and install them the right way. Even better, the lifetime warranty we offer is transferable to the next owner of the property to ensure that they're also able to enjoy windows that are made to stand the test of time. It doesn't get much better than that. At WinChoice USA, we're a veteran-owned company, and that means we take great pride in manufacturing all of our windows right here in the United States. In the end, it means you get a better quality product. Additionally, our team is licensed, bonded, insured, and certified. When it comes to making your home a better place to live, you deserve to work with the best. When you choose WinChoice USA, that's what you get. With over 4 decades of combined experience and a dedication to making sure the job gets done the right way the first time around, you can count on us to handle the custom windows that make your home your home. No matter the style of window you're looking for, we can handle it. Whether it's a standard size or something fully custom, you can count on our windows to stand the test of time. Perhaps best of all, we offer free estimates. Whether you're doing some research or you're ready to get started on a project, the team at WinChoice USA is here to help. Visit us today at www.winchoiceusa.net to get started.